Good morning, adventure seekers. October 13th. Sparky, the wonder dog, has been chomping at the bit for a little adventure. So today we find ourselves going for a little walk and maybe a drone launch at Point South. Didn't know it, but there should be a missile launch here soon. So the trail is presently closed, waiting for this missile launch. Just to remind you, trail goes all the way to Point South Beach, about 7 miles. But you better be ready and prepared to bring some water. It's quite the hike on top of this mountain and back. Alright, adventure seekers, hopefully we will get to see a missile launch as a special treat today. Stay tuned for more adventurizing. Point South Trail. Actually, dogs are allowed. You just have to keep them on a leash, which kind of makes sense. Alright. No horses, though, and no bicycles. Oh, that's what it was. No bicycles on this trail. Alright. Definitely could be a nice day for a hike. So come on down. Point South. Maybe you'll find Ginger. Ginger went missing. 921. Not good, not good. Poor little Ginger, hope they find her. Alright, Point South Trail, folks. Going down, it's got to be some wildlife around here somewhere. Stay tuned. Maybe a drone launch here after. See the missile launch. If we're fortunate enough to do so. Point South Trail, approximately 10 miles round trip, 4.5 hours. Yikes, closes at sunset. Better bring a water, hat, sunscreen, a leash, and extra water, food for the dog. You are here, the trail ends there. It is a windy trail, my friends, so be prepared if you want to hike the whole Point South Trail.